Tapescript 4.12.1.
One brave boy.
Monster, monster! There's a chewing monster and it wants to eat me up!
Really, Dara? Is it ugly?
Oh yes, it's very ugly. It's uglier than Mr. Swan. It's the ugliest thing in the world.
And does it have big teeth?
Big teeth? Big teeth! It has the biggest teeth in the world. Its teeth are bigger than you are, Linda.
Is it old?
I'm sure it's old. It's older than you. It's older than me. It's probably older than everyone. It's the oldest monster in the world.
Are you scared?
Nah, I'm never scared. I'm brave. I'm braver than Supal. And I'm braver than Bopa. I'm the bravest person in the whole school. You know, Linda, I'm probably the bravest person in the world.
Oh, I see. The bravest person in the world. Dara?
Yes, Linda.
Is that the monster?
Monster. Monster.
Ugly. Ugly.
Probably. Probably. Scared. Scared. Brave. Brave.